Alright guys, here it is. Hot off the press from Indiana. The brand new Airelume 270. This is a beautiful unit that's going to fit a very nice price point. I think we're going to see this be a bestseller this year if we're taking bets. And this guy comes in at 33.7 overall length, 6,900 pounds dry. Starting up front, we're greeted by the beautiful Airelume logo and that nice deep blue that we have there. Very classy. Electric tongue jack, two 20-pound tanks on it, and you got your battery tray up here. Battery disconnect on the A-frame. I like it in that spot, just real simple, keeps it easy. Huge storage doors on this guy. Just absolutely tall, right? So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. It is a pass-through, so it goes over to the other side. Something that's really nice about this unit is it has the enclosed underbelly that comes off in sections, right? And it's just nice because if something ever happens, on most campers, they have to drop your whole underbelly and cut a hole in it, essentially. Not on this guy. Real easy, you can just pop that off and do your servicing. So thank you, Airelume, for doing that. Huge awning. I don't have it out all the way. I just don't want to risk anything. But it's all electric, super easy to use. And we've got that beautiful light underneath it, the LED bar. And that's going to look real sleek once you get this thing in the campground. We got our outlets here, do a TV. Got our 110 and our cable out. Freshwater tank fill. Check this out. Nice little drink fridge. Awesome spot for it, I think, right here next to your outside shower. Got hot and cold water on that. Coming along the back here, we got our on-demand tankless water heater. Just set it and forget it. All of our water connections are in a central location as far as our city in black. It makes it super simple. And then we have our spare tire on it already. And we are prepped for the backup camera as well as the ladder. And this guy even has a rack and pinion style slide out in it, which is awesome. It's a more heavy duty slide out, and a lot of the others in this competition price range are not going to have that. So hats off to Airelume. And then the other side of our storage. Alrighty, I'm sure you guys want to see what the inside's like, so let's check it out. We're greeted by these beautiful solid steps going up. So, huge, beautiful living area here. Huge spot for a TV. Look what they've done with the backsplash in here. I mean, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So we got these nice recliner chairs. They're super comfy. And you can hang out by your huge window here that opens. See what's going on the campsite under your awning. And what a nice kitchen with our huge stainless steel sink, spray nozzle, and just an amazing view. We got the 3-burner with the glass cover, Furrion. It all sparks up for you real easy. And you got this little night light. Got a huge drawer for your pots and pans. This dinette is super comfortable. Awesome place to eat or play cards with the fam. And then this will make a large bed. Basically, this guy will come down. And then we can remove this guy, and we're going to have a big bed that goes down. And this can also be a chaise lounge. So if you've seen a Salem Versa Lounge, you know what I'm talking about. But basically, I'll be able to just kind of chill here and watch TV. And we have our nice fireplace here. Not only for beautiful ambiance, but it's also a great heater if you need it. And you can probably put a 55 to 60 inch here. Very nice storage here in the bathroom too, with a little pocket off to the right. And then of course we have our GFI protected outlets. We got outlets on both sides of the bed, of course. USB and AC. This one just landed, so I wanted to get it out to you guys. This is the Airelume 270. Let me know what questions you have, and let me know what you think about it down in the comments down below. Thanks, guys.